Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making carne asada fries. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you would need skirt steak, regular cut fries, a red onion, Roma tomatoes, a lime, garlic, an avocado, jalapeños, green onion, cilantro, Colby jack cheese, sour cream, orange juice, lime juice, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, the perfect seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by chopping up about a tablespoon of cilantro. Chop 3 stalks of green onion into thirds. Next, add the steak to a Ziploc bag. Season steak to taste with salt, black pepper, the perfect seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Of lime juice, a half cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, cilantro, 2 cloves of garlic, and green onion. Give it a good mix. Allow the steak to marinate for 2 hours or overnight. Next, cut your avocado. Squeeze the avocado into a bowl. Mash up the avocado. Dice half of red onion and add it to the bowl. Dice 1 jalapeno and add it to the bowl. Cut a lime in half. Squeeze both halves of the lime into the bowl and mix well. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Next, dice 2 Roma tomatoes. Chop up about a tablespoon of cilantro, add it to the bowl with the tomatoes. Dice 1 jalapeno and add it to the bowl. Dice 1/2 of red onion and add it to the bowl. Cut a lime in half and squeeze it into the pico mixture. Season to taste with salt and mix well. Next, in a hot skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the steak to the skillet and cook for 8 minutes. Flip the steak and cook for another 8 minutes. Remove the steak from the skillet. Slice the steak. Next to a cast iron skillet, add a layer of cooked fries and Colby Jack cheese. Repeat. Bake the fries at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. Next, top the fries with steak, pico de gallo, guacamole, and sour cream. And there you have it, Carne Asada fries. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.